Make sure you keep God first. God is the one that you want to keep first. You want to keep him at the forefront, at the center of everything that you do. For it says, seek first the kingdom and his righteousness, and all things shall be added unto you. I'm telling you, everything that you do, even YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Timmy Talks here. I just want to say thank you so much for the recent support that I've been getting. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. This video is just an appreciation video and a video to say all small YouTubers should come. I'm calling all of you to come to the comment section, subscribe to each other, like, comment on their videos. Make sure that you don't just subscribe. Make sure that you're commenting on their videos. Make sure you're watching their videos. There's so much space for everyone to grow, and I feel like we can all grow together. It's not a competition. We're not competing against each other. You're all unique and individual in your own way. So let's grow together. Thank you so much.